All right, guys, just gonna take this 3-jaw apart right now. It opens and closes, but there's a little, it's a little stickier than I think it should be, and you can see there's a bunch of junk down in here. So I soaked it in solvent and diesel, and now just gonna go ahead and take it apart. Oh, that's already better. Nope. I screwed up, boys. I screwed up. Amateur mistake. Amateur mistake. And maybe it would be better if I grabbed the actual number. Perfectly now. Take all of these and soak them in the solvent, which is diesel fuel. So here's what I'm doing. I'm just scrubbing them in the bucket with a Scotch-Brite, then transferring them over in batches into the ultrasonic, just stacking them up over here. And I have one more batch and then I'll be done. So I'm thinking about taking these tool holders off, but as you can see, just got a ton of chips down in here. All right. So that's kind of the bulk of it, right? And I think the next thing to do is going to be to drain the oil in this pan and then squirt it down with degreaser. All right, guys, so I'm just going to drain this oil tank. I don't, there's a couple of plugs in this. I don't think it's going to get it all because it's kind of leaning down to one side because of the pallet that it's on, but so I don't know if it's just blocked with chips in there, but nothing happened. No big explosion. Man, I don't want to poke my... Oh yeah, okay. It's just sealed with crap. There we go. Okay, boys. That is a filter under there, and you can tell it's just covered in slime. And, oh, Lord have mercy. Let's see what this stuff looks like. Oh, boys. Oh, that's a good 2 inches deep down to the bottom there. I hope you guys are seeing that. But that is some serious slime right there, boys. Holy mackerel. We're gonna need a slop bucket for that. All right, guys, so just basically got it cleaned up and taped off. Gonna probably paint this outside. I'm out of room in here. So tomorrow's supposed to be decent, and I'll probably shoot it tomorrow. But